Hi, I'm Theo. Let's talk about Bowden cables. You have probably seen the movable eyelids that I built, and those are usually controlled by a Bowden cable in the back. And the cable looks something like this here. And that's the shape that its final form. So at first this will be a straight cable. Then I crimp the end cap on, then I bend it 90 degrees at the end cap. Next is I push it through, and then I bend the other side. And now it can no longer get out here. And it's enough to control the eyelid. The reason why I build my own Bowden cables like these here is I want them to be super light and also super flexible. But for a lot of applications you do not have to go that far. Bicycle brake cable is already flexible enough for most applications. The only downside is the weight, and if you're doing a long show with a puppet, that's probably not what you want. So there is another type of Bowden cable, and those are built as controls for old analog cameras. And if you remove this part of the end here, you can easily use that. And the bonus feature is a lot of those have a locking feature, so you can lock the eyelids in place, and if you release it, they go back to the default position. Cool, huh? But I have to tell you, I tried to find these Bowden cables in different lengths for a long time, and what I have here is the longest one what I've found so far. If anybody has a source where you can specify the length and it's not gonna be super expensive, please tell me, because a lot of people would like to use those, myself included. But as long as I haven't found a source for these, I'm building my own, and those are even lighter than the camera Bowden cables. But they're also easier to bend too far. And if you ever get a sharp bend in these, they're unusable and have to be replaced. So if you have attached them to the eyelid like this, you only have to find the right angle where you can push in a straight line. So you want to go like, not like this. If you do it like this, it will buckle and not be in the correct position. You want it in a straight line as much as possible. So you can push it a little upwards if you want to. That usually works, and that also in most cases align with the plate that I built into the puppet heads here in the back. That will be used for the puppeteer's hand to push against. That's it for now. Bye bye.